So in this video, you'll learn how to pair your Soundcore Aerofit 2 earbuds with an iPhone. So the first step is to ensure that your buds have enough charge. And then the next step is to grab your iPhone and ensure that your Bluetooth settings are enabled. So you can just go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone, tap on Bluetooth, and ensure that it's been turned on. Once it's been enabled, it's now time to put your Aerofit Buds 2 in pairing mode. To do that, all you need to do is simply ensure that the buds are inside the case. So if the buds were out of the case, just go ahead and place them back inside. And then leave the case wide open, and the very back next to the charging port, you should see this button right there. So what you want to do is press on this button for at least 3 seconds until you see this LED light flashing. So you can go ahead and press on it and then wait for the light to flash. And then once it starts flashing like this, you can go ahead and go to your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, and in the list of other devices, look for your Soundcore Aerofit 2. Once they've appeared, simply tap on them to establish the connection. And then once you see this volume rocker appearing, it means that you've successfully connected them. So now you can use your Soundcore Aerofit 2 buds to listen to any audio coming from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.